This is the kit.
And this is
Chocolate bread.
oh, chocolate bread. Shut up. So we're continuing our is it expired or not cavalcade.
Little hands off my chocolate. And I think we kept our hands off of it for too long.
Yeah, it's possible.
Delicious fair Belgian quality.
It's fair, so it's like as opposed to unfair Belgian chocolate.
I think it's more like one of those fair
trade. Oh, whatever.
It's crispy cookie caramel and sea salt milk chocolate.
I think the whole fair trade concept is a very, very offensive thing. Really, I do.
But these people go so far as to put a picture. Like when
we'll give you something exactly
donate,
of equal,
you know, to the kids in Africa or whatever, and they send you the card with the picture of the kid.
Teach them the freaking rules of acquisition. The rules of acquisition are for all of us to behold and enjoy. Whoa!
They all say mine on it, and then this one says yours, and it's X'd out, and they all have different, like, fonts.
Oh, that's weird.
Oh, mine.
Oh, you. Alright, well. I will eat this one, and you will eat that one, as you have procured them.
Yes.
And now it's cheers.
It's kind of everything that it says it is.
I'm nonplussed with this. I just got a piece, there's just a little tiny end piece that was like, super salty.
Oh, really?
Yeah. 2? I don't know.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with 2.
I'm just bored with this. I don't.
It's not bad, but it's
not a standout. Not good enough for 3.
Nope.
I've been conversing with the Dark Lords again. And here we have their just desserts. This is Lindt Candy Cane. I've heard tell of these. Notice I'm wearing a t-shirt with Santa Claus eating ribs with barbecue sauce all over his beard. Because these, I guess, are for Christmas. Whoa, look at a little ball. And that's something? Ready? Okay, go.
I wish they made them smaller.
I wish it was Christmas time because this would taste like 1,000 times better and make more sense. Right now, having this in June, forget about it. It just does not work.
I like flavor.
I love
stuff.
candy cane
This
flavor.
one's good.
Yeah, I'd give
But I
this
just wish the size of it was smaller. Like, it's very, very sweet.
It is.
So if you had one like half that size.
It's got goo.
I'm going to admit it, I do like those.
Mmm.
I'm going to give them a 4. What is your score?
It's good. I give it a 5.
Oh. Let's say hello to Theo again.
What's that?
Bread and chocolate, 70% dark chocolate.
Oh, and it has bread in it.
Fair for life.
What the hell does that mean?
Fair trade.
Why wouldn't someone try to get a little bit extra? War is good for business. Peace is good for business. Exploit your family for profit. God, don't these people read the rules? Never give them back their money. Now you're breaking things. Okay, there's bread in this. Ready for some sourdough in dark chocolate? Cheers. I see the truth in it. However, I am an animal, and I give this a 0.
That's a big 0.
Yeah.
That's horrible.
It's bread and chocolate, ladies and gentlemen. Crusty bread and chocolate.
And dark, bitter.
Why, Theo? Why? Cinnamon churro.
Number 21.
That'd be good. Better put a smile on my face. Yeah. Give that a whiff.
Can I just give it a 0 right now?
It's tempting, isn't
I have
it?
to try it. My tummy is getting
Oh, you're churning.
chocolated.
Cheers. with the flavors that I'm getting aside from the milk chocolate, I would be getting churro. If it was in white chocolate, does anybody anywhere dip churros in like chocolate syrup?
Maybe, but they sure don't taste like that.
Yeah.
I mean, I think a regular churro, if you did it in some chocolate, it might be fine, but this doesn't taste like a churro dipped in chocolate.
And I'm getting more, I'm getting like a lot of nutmeg. Mm-hmm. Is there nutmeg in churro? Isn't it like
I think it's just cinnamon and sugar.
cinnamon, sugar, and sometimes honey?
Honey?
No?
I don't think so.
Honey.
Honey. Yeah, no. I'm going with a 0.
I'll give it a 1.
Sorry.
It's interesting. I don't hate it. I don't like it though.
Well,
No.
I'm kind of sad.
Yeah, this shit's expensive, yo. I'm sorry, I was taught to chew thoroughly. Chew your food. Chugga, 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 chugga. And on that note, we'd like to wish all of you a very, very happy and special goodbye.